Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make baked tilapia, but you can also grill or steam this. Steaming hot fish na healthy and delicious. Meron itong oyster sauce, kaya mas masarap. Let's begin! So we need 1 piece whole fish na nalinisan na and descaled. Season it with salt. Set aside lang natin for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pagsamahin natin ang onion, tomatoes, garlic, green onions, celery, salt, and pepper. Then sa isang bowl, pagsamahin naman natin ang oyster sauce, sesame oil, and lemon juice or calamansi juice. Next, line the large tray with foil, then grease with oil or butter. Then spread nyo lang ang 1/3 of the vegetable mixture dun sa middle ng tray, then place the tilapia over it. Then brush the inside and all sides of tilapia with oyster sauce mixture. Then, ang remaining vegetable mixture is ilagay nyo lang sa loob and sa ibabaw ng tilapia. You can also drizzle the remaining oyster sauce mixture on top if desired. Cover with foil and fold the sides to seal, making a foil packet. Allow space for steaming and avoid steam and juice from oozing out while baking or steaming. You can bake, steam, or grill this fish. Now your fish is ready. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.